So this is my Samsung dryer. It's not really, the bag is back there, but it's not hitting the bag. It's level on the floor. It's not hitting the washing machine. There is the little vent that goes up there. I've had somebody to check that out. And we're gonna go ahead and start this just on a regular setting. Listen to the drying, and the rattle you hear, it goes in like it's intermittent. It's like something is like loose in there, but there's nothing loose. I've tried it with things that's in there and things without, and it makes the same noise. It's still even. I'm gonna let it go for about a minute because it doesn't stop. And a new washing machine and dryer should not sound like that. You would swear it was something in there that was loose or metal. There is nothing in there, but listen to that rattle. And it gets louder as the machine goes. It's like a cold noise or something, or a rattle. Really irritating. No new machine dryer should do this.